Hello everyone, so it's me again, Teacher Danny. I don't have a scenario. In each video my scenario looks like a mess, but this one is quite interesting. You guys can see a mouse, an owl. This one, because you have to have faith, right? You need to have faith that things are going to get better. Well, I have a poster over here. Probably you guys cannot read it, but that's okay. It's just to turn things a little bit more colorful, okay? I'm just trying. Anyway, I don't know if you guys remember, but I hope you do. During our last video, we read a text about food review, veggie pizza. And I told you at the end of the video, I told you I was pretty specific at the end of the video. I said, choose one dish, choose one food. It could be veggie pizza as well, but it's better something different. Veggie lasagna, it could be a sandwich, soup, or whatever. Just choose something. Choose a dish. Okay? So, now I want to know, have you chosen? Have you chosen? Yes or no? What? Yes, you have? Congratulations! No, you haven't chosen. So please, think about something. Ice cream, salad. You must like something. I believe you do. Just choose one. Next phase is page 10, question 5. But we are just going to create the title. Yes, just one line. You're not going to write anything else. Just the title, just one line, and that's it for now. But remember, this is the first step. Okay. Now, I need my blackboard. So, if you get your writing journal and go to page 10, you're going to find the question 5, of course. And there, as you can see, you have to write your food review. And I am going to help you. But I'm gonna record different videos for that, okay? Today is only the first step, bear in mind, okay? Bear in mind, don't go nervous, breathe. Breathe. First step is create a title. You have to create a title. And there it is. So, if you check page 10, you have many lines. But today is just the title. Everybody, all people involved are going to write food review. Everybody. Okay? Write on the first line, food review. Everybody, food review. Very nice. See? It's not difficult. It's pretty simple. You can use the same line. I'm gonna use a different one because, remember, consider that my blackboard, it's small. It's not big. It's small. So, I chose pie. But this, remember, the food can't be different, okay? Remember, you can choose lasagna, pizza, salad, sandwich, well, ice cream, a cake, okay, cupcake, and so on. This one can be different, okay? You can choose something that you like, your favorite food. I chose pie, but you can choose something different. But this one, food review, everybody should write, everybody must write. Food review on the first line. Food review on the first line. Food review on the first line. Okay, just that for now. Okay, just that for now. You don't have to do anything else for a while. At least until next week. Okay? Next week we are going to the second step about question 5. So far, only the title. You're going to write food review, and the food that you have chosen. That's it for today. I hope you're feeling calm, secure, and remember, don't get anxious, don't get anxious, don't get anxious, don't get nervous. Breathe. 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 In and out. In and out. And just the title. Food review and the food that I have chosen. Food review and the food that I have chosen. Food review and the food that I have chosen. See you next week with our second step about question 5. Now I'm really leaving. Bye. My teeth. They have lipstick on it. I need to use my fingers. Technical problems.